In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to WordPress with Elementor. So in order to do this, what we can do is you first need to head over to elementor.com. Click on this Get Started right here in order to create an account. But if you already have one, head over and click on this Login. Now we need to host this Elementor in WooCommerce or WordPress. Let's head over and choose WordPress and go to their website. Click on this Get Started option right here in order to create an account. But if you already have one, just head over and click onto this Get Started option that we can see right here. Now, I already have an account and I've already connected WordPress and Elementor together, and this is my account's dashboard. Head over to the page that you wish to customize. In here is the About Us page. Click onto this Edit with Elementor. Now from in there, in order to add a Google Maps, we need to head over and see in here our actual page. I'll add the Google Maps right around here. Now let's open a new tab right here and go to maps.google.com and then locate your location into this part. So on my case, I'll head over and locate it right here. So just choose in here the location that you wish to put right there. I'll head over and choose a location. I have chosen in here this location. For this, just click onto the share. And in here, click onto this embed a map and choosing here the size. It can be medium, it can be small, or it can be large as well. You can also head over and then zoom in or zoom out depending on your liking right here. I'll choose something like this and I'll choose in here the medium option. You can also choose a custom size. Copy this HTML, head over to your Elementor and search in here for HTML widget. Drag and drop it right here. And then from this part, just paste in here your actual code. And then you should be able to see it right here and it's now added all together. And from there, you can just publish it. So that's how you add Google Maps to WordPress with Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.